Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's a new year, and yes, we are here with natural hair tips. Yes, as you all know, I do makeup, I do natural hairstyling, I do natural hairstyles, I share natural hair tips. So guys, that is all that you're doing this year. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. Yes guys, that is how we do it here. Thank you so much for your support all along, guys. So let's get straight to the video and see how we prepare the flaxseed first. And let us see also the benefits of this flaxseed gel. These are the most important benefits of flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is a superior moisturizer. It stimulates hair growth. It's a curl definer, and it's all natural, guys. This is how I prepared my flaxseed gel. I will pour about 600 ml water into a pan or a cooking pot. Next, I will add 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds. I will keep stirring for the whole process to avoid the seeds to stick onto the pot. I will keep checking the consistency until the gel becomes thick.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
I will now turn off the heat and let it sit for 30 minutes to cool down and thicken again on its own. Our gel is ready, guys. The gel is ready and it's time to sieve it, and I use this old stocking, which is the best to use when straining the gel. So now I'll just go ahead and separate the seeds from the gel, guys.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound.
I'm done, and the gel is all smooth, not hard and not too light. I love this consistency, guys. So now let's go ahead and do it on the hair. Guys, this is my natural hair. So I'm going to do I'm just going to apply the flaxseed. First of all, I have sectioned my hair into 4. This, and this. So I'll start with this part here. Always make sure that your hair is wet. So my hair is already clean, but it's dry. So I'll go ahead and spray with this water bottle here. So this is pure water.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So now I'll go ahead and take my flaxseed. So I'll just take a small amount of it and spread all over.
Things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down?
This is how it looks like after applying the flaxseed. You can see the curls, the little curls. I love this. This is what I do when I just want a wash and go, and boom. And this flaxseed is so healthy. That is, the gel itself is healthy. It promotes hair growth, so, and it also strengthens your hair. So this is the best way to do the wash and go, guys. So let's do the other one. After it dries, like the second day, now the curls will have a little bit of volume and you'll be good to go. At the moment the hair is still wet, so we'll see the results tomorrow, guys. So I'll come back and show you how I rock it when the hair is dry. So let's continue and do the rest of the hair. Enjoy watching.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I were safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you.
Guys, this is day 2 and this is how my hair looks like. Yeah, I went ahead and styled my hair. I just sectioned my hair just here, then I brought this in front to cover my forehead, and I really wanted this style that, you know, it's a side style like this. Then at the back I have this. You can see the curls that formed. You see that, guys? These are the curls that I love. So flaxseed is the way to go, guys. Look at that, with not just natural gel. And the good thing is that it promotes hair growth, and it's also a very good moisturizer, guys. If you go ahead and touch your hair, it's well moisturized, so it leaves your hair with a lot of moisture, which is very important when your hair is growing. So this is how I do my wash and go, guys, with a flaxseed gel. So that is the advantage of a flaxseed gel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.